Here I'm walking, going to the church. Today is Sunday, even though it's raining and a little bit cold. But I have motivate going to the church today because it's feel good. Pagkatapos ng simba, today is October 5, 2025. So yan, so walking the raining place here in Norway. A little bit cold.
Sunday today.
So
Yes.
There the church.
Happy Sunday din. Long time no see, miss you din. Ayun.
Okay. So yan, after church, so we walking home. Yun na, kahit umulan, simba pa rin kami. Na-walking ng mga tao dito, guys. Dahil dala na rin exercise. So ganun. Simba. Happy Sunday, everyone. So simba tayo. Tapos na yung mass. So we walking home. Sarap na pakiramdam. Feel good na nakasimba, nakadalaw sa bahay ni Lord. Super fresh ang mind at fresh yung aking mental. So, talaga guys, nakakatulong siya. So, wag tayo mawala ng pag-asa. So, kahit ulan, snow, mahangin, walang pipigil. Basta magsimba lang. As long we can walk and no pain. So, go out, fresh air and exercise at the same time.